how to reorder your boards on Pinterest. So if you go to your Pinterest and you go to your personal profile by clicking on the bottom right hand of the screen where you see your profile image, let's say you want to reorder where these boards are and you want to have different things first. What you can do is you can click on the upper screen where the arrows are going up and down. This is going to be sort by. So you can sort them by A to Z, custom, or last saved to. Another way you can also do this is clicking and holding on a board. So we're gonna see this dog board right here. I'm gonna click and hold on it. I'm going to then go to the arrows again, and then from there I can reorder my board. So I can just click and hold on the board, drag it down to whatever position I want it to be in, click done, and my boards will now be reordered from there.